The idea was to have an industrial style, and straightforward solution would be to grind the ceiling, as I wanted to have it pure concrete ceiling. But when I evaluated the amount of work I would need, I started to think of other solutions. I decided to use Beton Optic by Alpina, which is two-component paint, which has a dark base layer and top layer is a lighter. You apply it with random patterns and it should give a look of a basic concrete. So on the right you can see how it should look like, and it's honestly pretty easy to achieve that look even from the first try. But in my case I decided that it was actually too dark for me. At this moment, as I will understand only later, I am taking a defining decision to try another product just on top of already existing layers. In addition, to be sure that they will stick to each other, I applied a Betono Contact primer. So I tried to use another product, Primacol, which is in general the same type of mixture where you apply it in random patterns, and after drying it should give you a concrete or stone look. Okay, let's go to the fun part. Just as I have finished the process, which was easy and fast, I understand that I see some bubbles on the ceiling, which is odd. And at this moment I understand that all those layers are not holding on the ceiling at all. I hope you can see from the video how effortlessly it's going down from the ceiling when I try to scrub it. So this is one of those moments where you can only laugh and accept the lesson. Okay, so I have no other option, just peel it off and prepare the surface and start over again. Okay, if you don't think of the work that was done, in general it was pretty satisfying process. But I still wanted to understand what actually could have been done better. So let's see. The first obvious issue was old layers that I haven't cleaned, and at the same time I wasn't sure what are those. Next, I have applied 2 layers of Alpina product. But hey, nothing happened at that point. Then I had additional layer of primer. Again, nothing happened after it. And fourth part was additional coat of Primacol product. As all new layers peeled off as a one sheet, I understand that bonding between them was okay, but something happened with the base old layers. From here I think that it's either some chemical reaction, which I don't know, or actually all new layers worked as a membrane and locked all the moisture inside, and it softened the first layers, which I'm not sure what it was. At the end of the day, it's not about the products, it's who applies them and why. The question is not how this happened, but actually there was a little chance of going smoothly in such a way. We have learned our lesson and we're back to work. Later I decided to put away any decorative mixes and to try to finish this work with simple water-based paint. But do I want to make it simple? Of course not. I give a chance to this random pattern painting, where you just apply similar colors in random patterns and get the look as on the right. And it was fine, just at the end I understood that I don't need brownish color, I need gray. So I repainted it. And I'm just trying to finish it with simple gray paint and call it a day. Some tips. I don't like to wash brushes and paint tray after painting, so I use a simple trash bag and I put all the tray into it to keep it clean. Another good thing about it is you usually have to paint in 2-3 layers in a short period of time, so you put your paint and roller into this bag and seal it, and it won't dry for a couple of days, and when you open it you can go straight to the painting. Another good tip is not to be lazy about covering the surfaces before you're painting. That way you won't stuck with stupid job like this.